30 racing horses were lost about 5 months ago at Tioga Downs in a barn fire started by Boyd Fenton, who pled guilty and was indicted for arson, assault, and 30 counts of animal cruelty. Fenton's sentencing is tomorrow, where he could face 26 years in state prison.
I heard about it, but that's about all.
After the tragic arson in November that destroyed Barn F, it is being rebuilt by Goodrich Construction, and they say it will be completed in about a week.
I'm glad that they're rebuilding and more safe now this time around, from what I understand.
Goodrich Construction Company got approval after submitting a bid for the building to general contractor Home Construction, Inc. Ground broke February 1st. Goodrich Construction owner Caleb Goodrich confirmed with Big Fox that the new barn has the exact same dimensions as the old Barn F, but with 53 stalls. The new Barn F has less stalls but bigger walkway space and 4 man door exits to make evacuation easier and safer. The previous barn had no man doors. The day of the November arson, Big Fox spoke to a horse groomer who witnessed the tragedy and said extra security should be taken since the arson could have been preventable.
I think that they should have better security here. I'm not saying the security here already isn't good, but I'm just saying that they should take different measures to make it a bit better, especially after this.
Several locals today agreed that security for the barns and tracks should be revamped.
Probably. I don't know, because it's open going through there.
I think at least security cameras. I don't know how feasible it would be to have someone on site watching everything, but maybe somebody inside the building could be watching all of the security cameras.
Big Fox reached out to Tioga Downs to see if security would be upgraded soon, but they did not immediately respond to a request for comments. Once the barn is completed, Caleb says Tioga Downs will put horses in as soon as possible since the racing season starts in May. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Nichols.